starting. Wow. Oh, hello. Oh, wow. Oh, you got big planes there. Cool. Là số bằng. Cool. Oh, I got a big guy. Oh, Astagfirullah. What be like? Oh my God, they all falling. Check out this intense footage of a tornado ripping through Harry Street in Wichita, Kansas, leaving destruction in its wake. Watch as a powerful flash flood sweeps through a village in Afghanistan in July 2024, leaving behind widespread devastation. That's my first tab. It's so neat. Look at them, bro. Climb up into my little hand. As you can see, a man is swept away by the powerful floodwaters, struggling to keep himself from being carried further. Luckily, he managed to pull himself to safety, escaping the danger just in time. Watch as this terrifying floodwater destroys a home in India. On March 3rd, 2024, in the rugged mountains of Nagar, Gilgit-Baltistan, a massive avalanche crashes down with unstoppable force, turning the valley into a river of snow and ice. A gripping reminder of nature's raw and untamed power. A trailer crashes into a storm chaser's car during a powerful tornado, capturing the sheer force and danger of nature's wrath. In August 2024, in the small town of Marion, Texas, a local man captured the incredible moment as swirling winds rapidly transformed into a powerful dust devil right before his eyes. Oh! A huge huge, massive landslide crashes down with unstoppable force, reshaping the landscape in an instant. This man caught a huge snake in the street during a flood in Thailand. A remarkable and daring moment in the face of nature's chaos. Look at this. The car plunged through the ice. Thankfully, the driver and passengers escaped unharmed, but the vehicle was swallowed by the freezing water, beyond saving. While this family enjoyed the peaceful mountain views, something that looked like white mice zipped past them, one after the other. But here's the twist. It was not mice at all. It was pampas grass swaying beautifully in the wind, creating a truly mesmerizing and satisfying scene.
Oh no, for the wind! It is! Tornado!
This guy survives an intense close-up encounter with a powerful tornado in Nebraska, facing nature's fury head-on.
No, Yamala gotta put it! Yamala gotta put it, okay? Yamala gotta put it! Hey, boy! Chala chala! Hey!
In Taiwan, these people were playing badminton in the hall when suddenly, a powerful earthquake struck, bringing the entire ceiling crashing down. A breathtaking sight thousands of snow geese take to the skies, moving as one. Check out this dramatic footage as Hurricane Irma ravages Maho Beach in St. Martin, showing the devastating power of nature as it destroys the famous beach camp. And destroying countless homes, leaving many families displaced.
Come on! But you know, we're going to kill. I look out there. What in there to spin down? Now, look at you. I love it. Look at this guy here. And go out and see what we're going to say. What is? Can you go? What? I think you did it.
Look at this breathtaking moment as a giant airplane slices through a dense cloud, splitting it into two walls of mist, and revealing a brilliant blue sky behind. Look at this powerful underground explosion in Ukraine that completely destroyed a road. And subscribe for more amazing content. Stay tuned for our next adventure. You won't want to miss it. This footage, captured on December 11, 2024, in Brazil, shows how over 200 millimeters of rainfall turned this dam into a powerful force of nature, unleashing its unstoppable power.
You want to? Oh, yeah, we got it. Okay, then, let's go.
Watch as the mighty Padma River in Taranagar relentlessly erodes its banks, tearing through the land and uprooting trees, while stunned villagers look on, witnessing nature's raw power in action. Watch this massive and intense tornado that struck Iowa in March 2023, leaving a path. Watch as a Connecticut home collapses into the rushing floodwater. The aftermath of a snowstorm on Newfoundland Island is nothing short of incredible. It looks like they could use a much bigger snowplow to tackle this. Destruction in its wake. Dude, stop! Look at this CCTV footage from Hualien, Taiwan, as a powerful earthquake strikes on April 2024. Inside a cafe, staff and customers panic as the ground shakes violently. Ghost train, ghost train, ghost train. I'm stopping short. Go field. Đéo thành không? Đó là No! How about the Volcano? Oh my god, look at the swarm over here. Holy. On July 27 in Westerly, Rhode Island, beachgoers witnessed an incredible sight as a massive swarm of dragonflies filled the sky. This rare phenomenon turned a relaxing beach day into an unforgettable natural spectacle. Look at this massive eruption of flames from the earth, signaling the ignition of natural gas underground, revealing nature's raw, fiery power beneath our feet. Don't walk on fresh lava. While it may appear solid, the surface is dangerously unstable, with molten lava still flowing beneath, as you can see. Watch as the Luni River in Nagaur, Rajasthan, cuts through massive sand cliffs, showcasing the raw power of erosion. A breathtaking reminder of how water can reshape landscapes in moments.
No, estuve bien allá. Estuve bien allá que lo Vázquez. Ven acá. Ven acá. No, man. Ay, 뭐야? 어차피 무슨 너다리 오늘 내가 한번 해봐.
Watch as powerful floodwaters in Nam Tai, July 2024, sweep massive debris and trees towards a fragile bridge, pushing it to the edge of collapse.
Woo! Wow! Vẫn còn vẫn vừa nữa.
This captivating footage showcases a rare and awe-inspiring cloud formation, stretching dramatically across the sky. Its swirling, dynamic shapes create a striking contrast against the tranquil, clear blue above, highlighting nature's beauty in its purest form.
What do you think? Yeah? Yeah.
This is a piranha, a fierce freshwater predator with razor-sharp teeth and an incredible bite force. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible wonders of our world, make sure to hit like, share this video. A powerful mud flow strikes the village of Irib in Karadinsky district, showcasing nature's raw force.
No! Holy no! Oh, that's a wave.
Oh my god, look at this massive elephant, weighing an incredible 8,000 kilograms. A true giant of the animal kingdom. Tsunamis, 2017. This massive floodwater, unleashed from the mountains, surged through the city, sweeping away everything in its path.
Nie, no dobra, Ksana, co robię, to